Have you ever wished WhatsApp could talk to your favorite apps and work on autopilot? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to connect Zapier to WhatsApp using Timelines AI so you can automate messages, follow-ups, and workflows without lifting a finger. By the end, you'll know how to build a live integration from scratch, so let's jump right in. Start by heading to the Zapier website. If you already have an account, log in. If you don't, just click the login button in the top right and use your Google account to set one up quickly. Once you're in, you'll land on the Zapier dashboard. Here, Zapier lets you create what they call Zaps, which are automated workflows between apps. Look for the Create button and click it to begin building your connection. On the new Zap page, the first thing you'll set up is the trigger. This is what kicks off your automation. In the trigger search bar, type Pipedrive and select it. Then choose New Activity as the event. Zapier will ask you to log into your Pipedrive account so it can pull the data it needs. Just follow the on-screen steps and once connected, click Test to confirm everything is working. With the trigger in place, it's time to set the action, which is what Zapier will do when that event happens. Click on the Action section and search for Timelines AI. Select it, then choose Send Message to New Chat as the action event. This is the key step that enables WhatsApp messaging. When prompted, log into your Timelines AI account so Zapier can send the messages through your WhatsApp number. After connecting, run the test here too to make sure Zapier and Timelines AI are talking to each other correctly. Now your full workflow is ready. All that's left is to activate it. Click Publish to turn your Zap on. To make sure it works, go into Pipedrive and create a new activity. If everything is set up properly, WhatsApp will automatically send the message you configured through Timelines AI. No manual typing, no switching apps. And that's the full connection. You've just set up an automation that links Pipedrive, Zapier, and WhatsApp in a few simple steps. If you're ready to save even more time with automations like this, let me know in the comments what workflow you want to build next. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.